Hi there, for today's lesson, we are going to continue learning about story elements. So Monday we went over characters, Tuesday we went over setting, Wednesday we went over plot, and today is problem and solution. So let's start with problem. So I would like for you to take a moment and think, what is problem? What do you know about the word problem? All right, when you have an answer, give a thumbs up. If you need more time to think about what problem is, then go ahead and pause the video. All right, a problem, a situation or problem that is hard to deal with, solve, or overcome. So in these stories that we read, sometimes the characters come across a problem. And of course, they want to fix the problem, right? So how would they fix the problem? What is that word called? What do you think that word's called when they want to fix the problem? Or they want to solve the problem? It's called solution. So a solution is how a problem is solved. All right, so the example I've been giving all week is my shoelace is being untied. So let's think of another problem. Okay, so I was looking at a picture earlier, and it was of a little girl, and she was frowning, right? It's because her snowman started to melt because it was sunny out. She started making a snowman when it was really sunny out. So that's a problem, right? She's upset. Her snowman is starting to melt. Okay? So what could her solution be? She could, if you can't think of anything, she could build her snowman when it's a little bit colder out, not on a warm day, right? Let me show you the picture I'm talking about right here. So right here, here's a little girl. She's frowning because her snowman is starting to melt. And why is that? The sun is out, all right? The solution, build a snowman or fix the snowman when it's windy and kind of cold, all right? Okay, let's talk about one of the books that we read this week. Olivia Claus. All right, so Olivia, if you can think back, Olivia has a problem in this story, right? Who remembers what it is? She loses her stuffed monkey, Matilda, right? That's a problem. It really upsets her, and she wants to fix this problem, which is by finding her stuffed animal, okay? So that's her problem. What is the solution to this problem? How does this problem get solved? Can you remember? Olivia never gives up. She keeps looking and looking, right? She keeps looking, and then does she eventually find Matilda the stuffed monkey? Yes. All right. So that's just an example of a problem and a solution that happened in a book that we've read recently. Olivia Claus, okay? So, again, the problem is something the characters want to change, fix, or figure out. That's a problem. The solution is a way to solve that problem that the character is having. Okay, I hope you like this little review over problem and solution.